Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So I posted my picture on Facebook and a lot of people were asking how I lost my belly fat after childbirth. So I decided to share with you one of the juices I normally make to drink. I love this drink because it has helped me in keeping and controlling my body weight. The ingredients are beetroot, carrot, lemon, and orange. So in a pot, I've sliced my lemon and orange and I'm just going to put it in the pot and we are going to boil it. Let it boil for about 10 minutes. When it's ready, cover it and let it cool down. When it's cool, take the sliced orange and lemon out. This lemon and orange water has a lot of health benefits. It supports weight loss, it promotes hydration, it's a good source of vitamin C, it aids in digestion, detox the body. This water is an everyday favorite for me, guys. You can drink it like that every day and it's very nutritious. Trust me. I have washed my carrot and beetroot and I have cut it up and I am going to blend it. Beetroot and carrots have so many health benefits. It's rich in vitamin C, it helps cleanse the blood, it detoxifies the body, it relieves constipation and helps boost the digestive system. Beetroot and carrot makes the skin glows. So at this point, I'm adding the lemon and orange water that I made and I'm going to blend it. A combination of this drink and regular exercise helps in weight loss. So guys, make sure you exercise too. At this point, I'm going to strain it. Use a spoon to press the pulp down to squeeze out the juice. I am going to put the pulp back into the blender and then I will add in the rest of the beetroot and the carrot. Add the lemon and orange water. And blend. Strain it. And again, use a spoon to press the pulp down to squeeze out the juice. I am going to blend the pulp again. But this time I am going to add in the sliced lemon and sliced orange. I peeled off the skin, but this is optional. You can blend it with the skin, but I peeled mine off. Add in the lemon and orange water and blend. Again, strain it. Then use a spoon to press the pulp down to squeeze out the juice. So at this point, I'm going to add the rest of the lemon and orange water. I'm going to rinse the blender with the lemon and orange water, and then I will pour it back onto the pulp and strain it all together. I'm going to strain the juice with cheesecloth to remove any pulp left. Never mind if you don't have cheesecloth, you can drink it straight after straining with the strainer, okay? And you can drink the juice without straining it at all, okay? You can drink it with the pulp, which is also nutritious. So this is what I got after straining with the cheesecloth. This juice is sweet because of the beetroot and carrot. I drink it like that without adding any sweetener or sugar. You can add honey if you have sweet tooth. However, I drink mine without any sweetener. I like my juice served with ice cubes. Okay, and guys, thank you so much for watching, and to my subscribers, thank you all for your support. And if you're new here, please do like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. Until the next video, bye for now.